Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I made with this collection that is called Simple Story. Oh, it's called Harvest Market by Simple Stories. And I made some super cute things, you guys. I have some scraps left, nothing like major, some little scraps here. I do have some like tags in here that are really cute, a couple of cut aparts, and then mainly just like these little scraps. However, I do have a whole entire other collection that I did not use, so this will probably just get joined with the other collection. And on top of that, I have a lot of these extras that I did not use. Not even like one thing from here. And guys, like I have no idea what we're gonna make with this. But I have the, like page pieces where you can make like a page layout. I have the 6x8 paper pad, and I'm telling you guys, I have a whole entire other kit like this with all these other extras. We've got a sticker book, and like I said, I used nothing. Journal bits. This is why I usually just get collection kits. We have the brads, but this was like a whole set that I got from Simple Stories. They had this like on sale one time, like a whole entire kit, and I just got it. And then they also had it in like their warehouse box one time. And so I just have a bunch of these. Are really cute, but they're just ginormous. So I have no idea what we're going to do with all that, you guys, but I have it. And also, you guys, if you guys like my videos, I don't say this enough, but please make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And let's get started. I'm going to show you guys what I made with that full collection kit. Well, I guess maybe not full because I didn't use the stickers. I mean, I used some of the stickers, but I mean, we did not finish using the stickers, but I did use the paper for the most part. So I made some gratitude journals, you guys. And if you guys have seen my video, I think I shared, was it this one I shared? Yeah, I think the video shows how to make this one. My tutorial shows how to make this one, so I think I do that one with you guys on camera. But I was able to make 5 of them, you guys, so that's what I got out of the collection kit. You know what, actually I may have pulled another sheet from the other one. I may have pulled like one sheet or so. I don't remember, but I might have done that. But anyway, these are also available in my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested in getting any of them. They work so great as gratitude journals. Also, you could use them as to-do lists, wish lists. You could use it as an October daily. You could just jot down whatever you do. I really like the idea of using it as a gratitude journal. They say, like, research studies have shown that people that show and write down like their daily gratitude are in general like happier people. And I think it's just like so important to kind of get into that habit of what we are grateful for, and like more so than like I'm grateful for friends and family, like a little bit deeper than that, like something specific that specific day. So this would be really good for that, and you could probably use this over like 3 years. If you like write a sentence each day, you could probably do like a couple on a page, you know, and then you have like your one divider, and they have 3 dividers in here, so you can kind of use it over 3 years maybe if you have enough space. If not, then I don't know, maybe you could do like different kind of quarters, or you could do just one section for gratitude, daily gratitude, if you want to try and get that into a habit, and use the other sections as like to-do lists or whatever it is, guys, whatever your heart desires. But there is some more available in my Etsy shop. So I'm going to show you guys what they all look like so that you guys have like a flip through in case you guys want to get any of them. But this collection, I didn't even think I was going to like this, but it grew on me. It's not traditional like fall colors, but it's so cute. So this one says pumpkins. Obviously, I added some trim. I like to add trim when I make these journals. Some elements, some chipboard elements here. And I added in little things that peek up from the top. So we have a little ribbon that I show, or a bow that I show you guys how to make in the tutorial as well. Little ribbons peeking out. This little button that I also show you guys how I did. And then this is the back side. So when you open this up, it looks like this. Like, look at these non-traditional colors, but they're so cute. Hello, and a little acorn. I added in like a photo mat thing here. We've got your first divider with the little bow. And then you just got like a bunch of blank pages that you can write on. The second divider has a pocket, and all of these are the same like that. Like the second divider has a pocket. So this one says fa la la, a cute little tag, and then also like you get a blank tag as well. And then you have more space here. Your third divider has the button that I turned into a paper clip, and then more pages that you can write on. And then the back page is also a pocket, the inside back cover. You get this larger photo mat area. You could use it as photos or like a journal spot. And then you get a tag. And if you want to use any of these tags as like a bookmark, you could use it as a bookmark as well. Like you don't have to use it as just like a tag. You could use it as a bookmark. You could add photos to the back of this instead of writing on it. Whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to use this as a prayer journal, which somebody mentioned that in the last video that I shared, that they would make really cute prayer journal. The only thing I'm not sure how to do is like, should I still do them themed and just have the cover say prayer journal, or should they be like neutral themed for like any time, not like pumpkins or not like Christmas trees, you know? Maybe they should just like be neutral kind of anytime and then just say prayer journal on the front, but that would be really cute. And I could still do maybe 3 sections, or maybe I should do them like blank. Oh, I have an extra page paper clipped here. Or maybe just blank on the inside, maybe no dividers. Let me know, what do you guys think? I think dividers is cute, but I could do no dividers if you guys want. So let me know. Here is another one I made. This one just says sweater weather. Has a cute little truck with pumpkins on it as your button paper clip. And here's the back. Very cute. And then the inside, you got this little jar that says farm fresh. You get the same amount of like cut aparts and tags in each of these. It's just like different papers in them all. So they all look a little different. This one says, hey pumpkin. And I'm going to have the tutorial link down below in case you guys want to make some of your own. I added some stickers here on the pocket, as you guys could see. More pages. There's that little button paper clip. More writing pages. And then you've got your large photo mat thing and another tag. So super duper cute. I don't feel like this needs like, I don't have to go crazy showing you guys these in detail because you guys could see the flip through. This one says fall breeze and autumn leaves. And the little button clip says give a cheer, fall is here. If you guys could see that. And this is the inside of this one. Got your pages. This is the divider. I have a little pumpkin thing here and it says pumpkin patch and I love fall. And more pages. There's the button paper clip. I love this pumpkin paper. And then the back inside cover, you got this tag. And yeah, so these are so cute, you guys. And I have to make some Christmas ones too, since now like Christmas season is going to be coming. But I love them for fall. Fall is my favorite ones to make. And when people think of fall, they usually think like gratitude, even though I think it's important to do gratitude daily and not just for fall. So however you guys want to do it though. Here's a tag, says cozy, and says you pick pumpkins. This one has a little like unicorn paper clip. And then the back. And there's little videos on Etsy too, in case you guys are like wondering which one is like which, but there is little videos on Etsy. And then the last one, you guys, This one is so cute. And I just love the cut apart on this one. It says crunchy leaves, pumpkins, warm blankets, caramel apples, hay rides, bonfires, all the wonderful things that you guys do in the fall. And I love the back paper. And I love just like the pink plaid. It's so cute. So this one has this cute little hot cocoa thing and a little journal space. Got the acorns. I love that paper too, the acorns. Have another acorn here. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice on this tag, and pink on the back. Love it. I love the addition of pinks in this collection. It's usually like, this is way more colorful than what I normally do, but I did end up liking it in the end. The paper clip says pumpkin spice everything. And then the back got that tag. So yes, you guys, that is the journals, or those are the journals that I made. Like I said, don't forget to check out my Etsy shop if you guys are interested in any of these. I know some of them have sold, but some of them are still available at the time of me filming this video. They're going to be making more for Christmas or whatever, so you guys could always check out my shop because they might be in there by the time you guys see this. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't done so already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Check out the tutorial if you guys want to make your own, and I'll see you next time. Happy crafting. Bye.